as well. Now, CTV News was here when police removed a body yesterday afternoon from beside the dumpster in the Holyrood Community League parking lot. People in the area tell us police showed up around 4:30.
Hi guys, it's Thursday. Lamig guys, 0 degrees. Spring na. So, natapos na tayo maghatid ng mga kids sa school. At mga 2 to 3 minutes walk from the center papunta sa school. So, tingnan nyo mga puno. So, mga tao na yan. Tutubo na yan. Magiging maganda na yan. Kasi spring na. Sa ibang lugar maganda na. So, dito, hindi na kasi medyo malamig pa minsan. Pero bukas, ay, lamig. Ayan, so dito tayo. Ito yung playground na lagi sila. Nag-outdoor play. Ito. Wala nang snow. Pero malamig. Pero hanggat hindi negative 20, dapat lalabas pa rin sila. Guys. This is our center. Meron na pa nang nangyari dito guys. Ikwento ko sa inyo mamaya. So, pagbalik ko sa kitchen namin ay meron ditong food at letter from our co-worker na nagpa-practicum din from our school. At ito ay isang kind of sweet delicacy from India. So, tikman natin guys. So, parang ito yung yema natin sa Philippines na meron lang konting twist sa kanila pero yema talaga yung lasa. At ito naman masarap din siya. So, buti na lang mga sweets yung food kasi mas prefer ko yung mga sweets. Thank you, Manjot, for sharing.
A few moments later.
Ayan guys, ang ating school. Kung saan. Ay, lakas naman ng hangin. Okay guys, so ito dati. Ito ang tapos na ito ng pagkakas dito yung malagay. Here. So ngayon, they put it there. Pero dito nga nakalagay yung sa side. So it's so scary. Takot. Yan lang. Ayan. Oh. May mga flowers. Ayan, oh, may mga flowers. Nilagay. So, kasi guys, itong area na to is, ano siya, malapit sa downtown. Or almost parang downtown na din. Kaya, ganyan, even nga sa mga, in some places, no, especially, basta malapit sa downtown, talagang, hindi natin alam ano yung pwede mangyari. So, hindi rin natin alam ano yung mga intention kung bakit nangyari yun. At sa ngayon, wala pang findings kung sino yung tao na yun, ano yung nangyari. Hindi ko alam kung bakit hindi pa nila ma-discover kung sino yun. Ang konti-konti naman ng tao dito. Parang feeling ko ang dali namang malaman unless kung galing to siya sa medyo remote areas na medyo malayo dito. Diba? So, hindi natin alam. Tapos, malapit pa yung election. Okay, yan. So, yung mga ganong situation. Yan. So, nakakatakot talaga, guys. Ingat na lang tayo palagi. Yan. Lamig.
A suspicious death investigation has people in Holyrood on edge this evening. A body was found in the Community League parking lot yesterday afternoon near a playground. CTV's Jeremy Thompson joins us live from Holyrood this evening. So, Jeremy, what's left of the crime scene at this point?
Well, Matt, the dumpster and the body that was found beside it were removed. You can see over my shoulder here now that blue dumpster is now back in this parking lot, and the police tape that police used to secure that scene is now in this garbage can in front of me. In fact, the only hint that something unusual happened here is a small memorial near this community center. It's some candles, a stuffed animal, and some tobacco left there as well. Now, CTV News was here when police removed a body yesterday afternoon from beside the dumpster in the Holyrood Community League parking lot. People in the area tell us police showed up around 4:30. They blocked off the scene and brought in the forensic unit to investigate, removing the body on a stretcher around 8 o'clock. Now, there is an after-school care facility in the Community League building, a senior center nearby, and there's a playground in the adjacent field where students at Holyrood Elementary School play. Those we spoke with say they're not used to incidents like this in Holyrood.
It's even been described by one of my former coworkers as just very boring and how safe it is. I don't live here, but I work here, and that's one of the reasons I like working here.
Now, school let out a few hours ago at this point, but that playground behind me here has been busy basically that entire time. There's been plenty of kids walking into the community league as well, going to that after-school care. So just meters away from where that body was discovered yesterday. Again, Matt, police are investigating this as a suspicious death. They're asking anyone with information to come forward, and an autopsy for that body is scheduled for some time.
Napakalamig guys, napakalamig. Ang lakas ng hangin, parang bagyo. Stop lahat. Dahil dumaan yung train. Grabe yung hangin guys, ang lakas. Napakalamig. So, ito yung wind chill na tinatawag. So, ngayon punta tayo ng school dahil tapos na yung work natin na 7 to 10. It's my last day today dito sa school. Pero meron pa tayong tomorrow for the practicum. Pero meron pa tayong last final exam next week. Ang lakas ng hangin guys. Parang naalala ko nung nasa Tagaytay o kaya yung pag may bagyo. Lamig. Lakas ng hangin.
A few moments later.
Ayan guys, so nandito na tayo sa bahay at tingnan natin ito na yung ating view sa ating window from the bedroom. Ayan, so spring na talaga guys. So, yun nga yung nangyari sa kanina sa Holyrood. Although hindi pala kanina yun kasi Thursday na ngayon. Kanina ko lang nalaman nung umaga, pagdating ko sa school, sinabi ng co-worker ko, sabi niya, do you know what happened? Do you know what's in the news? Tapos sabi ko, hindi ko alam since hindi naman ako laging nanonood ng news dito sa Edmonton or sa Canada dahil wala tayong time for, alam mo, minsan yung i-on yung YouTube or yung mga news dito. So, dahil medyo busy tayo for this past few weeks, so ito lalo na yung weekend sa mga homework natin. So sinabi nga niya na yun yung nangyari at talagang nakaka-shock na malaman na doon talaga mismo sa parking lot na yun, saan yung may dumpster, yung malaking basurahan, yung blue, doon nilagay sa tabi yung trash bin. So usually yung malaking dumpster na yon, hindi ka na dapat maglalagay ng extra na basurahan sa side. Kasi syempre, nandun na nga, malaki na siya, diba? So, pwede na lahat doon ilagay. So, very unusual that may naglagay doon, sabi, na kasabi ko, paano ba nalaman na merong tao doon sa basurahan na yon? Dahil parang may magtatapon, so bubuksan yung malaking dumpster, pero parang syempre alam naman natin na yung amoy ng ganong ganong yung dead body na amoy, no, so malakas talaga yon. So parang nakita nila dun sa trash na yon na malaking basurahan, hindi yung sa blue ha, dun sa isa sa black na nilagay lang sa tabi, na meron ng tao. So yun, ni-report na, and yung tao na yun, 32 years old na lalaki siya, at hindi pa nila ma-identify kung sino yun. Isa siyang indigenous person. So indigenous is yung mga from the First Nation, o yung mga talagang ang tawag nito, kung sa Philippines siguro sa mga may mga tribo dito, no, pero iba din yun. So parang sila yung mga original na Canadians talaga na tinatawag dito sa Canada. So hindi pa nila ma-identify kung kanino yon. So ongoing pa yung investigation nun. Pero yun nga, since very unusual na mangyari yon doon sa ganong location, kasi nandoon yung community hall, which is also the daycare, the out of school care na kung saan ako nag-work, at yung meron ding facility doon for the seniors. Tapos may playgrounds, may school. So ganun yung niya, yung location niya, na parang paano kaya nagkaroon ng pangyayari na doon talaga naisipan ilagay, no? Siguro hindi taga doon yung naglagay nun, yung tao hindi rin taga doon sa location na yon, no? So pero nakakatakot lang na of all places doon pa talaga nilagay. At yun nga, so buti nung Sunday na nangyari yon, Monday, akala ng kawork ko ay tinawagan siya ng director namin. Akala niya baka ma-fire na siya sa kung ano yung emergency, no? Tapos yun, since sinabi naman na na-clear out na ng mga police yung area, ay pwede nang pumasok by the time ng Monday yung mga bata, kasi 7 o'clock, 7:15 dinadrop na yung mga kids doon sa center namin. At saka may school din naman sila, wala namang cancellation ng school eh. So kailangan pa rin talaga silang i-drop doon, since yung mga parents hindi naman nila alam pag hindi kami mag-open ng Monday, yung mga parents yung magsasuffer, kasi may mga work yun eh, i-dinadrop nila doon para doon sa para sa mga papasok na parents sa work. So ayun guys, tapos, nung sinabi ko nga dito sa bahay, sa mga anak ko ganyan, ito namang isang anak ko yun, sumama sa akin sa pagnood ng YouTube na yun. Tapos, ayun, na-discover niya na marami rin palang mga incident dito sa Edmonton, ng mga ganyan na iba't ibang cases, and which is alarming din yan. At syempre, kailangan maging vigilant tayo sa mga nangyayari, kahit na alam naman natin na safe, pero syempre, hindi perfect, no? Hindi perfect. And yun lang, mag-iingat tayong lahat. At kung meron kayong mga naisip tungkol sa mga ganito pangyayari, please comment down below. And please don't forget to like and share this video. And ingat po tayong lahat. And see you in my next vlog. Bye! Yes, last day ba natin ngayon? Last day natin.
Yeah, free food.
Yeah. Tingnan natin yung mga free food dito. Last day na ngayon. Choice of one sandwich. Sheep, beef, egg salad, vegetarian na. Sheep, beef. Ano sa'yo? Sige, makapag-veggie lang na. Sheep, beef. Lagi ng mga labig.
यही तो बात काउंसलर ने तो गलत नहीं की, यही तो बात है, हर बारी यही होता है। They have to join the line. कोई भी आए बोल दे, otherwise they will get a complaint will from my side that they are banned from. कसम से कसम दी
They want drink. Take one. Chips or ganun.